Hello and welcome to this presentation. I have a lot of valuable information I want to share with you, but I want to start off by asking you a few questions, and hopefully by the end of this presentation answer all of those questions for you. First of all, how would you like to get paid when others spend money? Pretty good question. The next question is, how would you like to save $1 for every 2 miles you drive? How would you like to give yourself an instant pay raise and to be able to get out of debt in half the time without changing your lifestyle? Now, ladies and gentlemen, that truly is the $1,000,000 question. And the last question is, how would you like to learn how you can earn $1,000 over and over again? If so, what I want to share with you is, during the next few minutes, you're going to discover a cash flow system that will allow ordinary people just like yourself to learn how they can take back control of their lives and their finances and to create for them their own personal economy. Let's answer the first question. How do you get paid when other people spend money? Let's watch this very small video to learn how.
Top retailers in America have built their businesses around the local mall concept. These companies spent billions of dollars advertising to get the customers to come to the mall. But now all of that is changing at warp speed. More and more retailers are starting to believe that it would be more beneficial to give customers discounts and incentives instead of paying expensive advertising. Can you imagine shopping at all of your favorite stores with no traffic, no lines, no safety concerns, no pushy salespeople? Anytime you want to shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And instead of seeing advertisers get rich, companies pay you to shop. Your dream mall and dream shopping experience is here. Your Econ Rewards Mall is the largest mall in the galaxy with over 1,000 stores and millions of products. However, the best news is, you get up to 30% cash back when you shop at stores like Best Buy, Macy's, Target, Staples, Walmart, Home Depot, Walgreens, PetSmart, Office Depot, and hundreds more.
As you can see, you can earn up to 30% cash back when you give away this service to small businesses and your friends. Now, it is free for them to use to go and shop in places that they always shop all the time. But because you invited them through your site by being a member of MyEcon, you're now able to earn up to 30% cash back. Now, this is very exciting. The next question we want to answer is how you can save 56 cents a mile, business miles that is, when you use your car. Not only that, how you can save a tremendous amount of money by using the strategies that we will teach you with this program.
Introducing MyEcon Cash Flow Manager. The Cash Flow Manager makes business tax record keeping easy, simple, and fast. The Cash Flow Manager was developed to simplify the expense tracking process, making it quick and easy to keep track of those valuable business expenses and deductions, so you keep more of what you make each year. The Cash Flow Manager is an online record-keeping system which records, organizes, and stores all of a business owner's tax records in 5 easy, repetitive steps. Once you log into your Cash Flow Manager, 1. You choose the type of business expense from the drop-down menu, and the date will automatically fill in. 2. Type in the amount of the expense. 3. Who the expense was paid to. 4. What the expense was for. And 5. Where the expense took place. The system automatically records, organizes, and stores the expense record. The Cash Flow Manager can also be used to track mileage for business vehicles and business income. Although the system has almost every imaginable income and expense category, the system even enables users to customize their own income and expense categories. Once your business records are entered into the Cash Flow Manager, they can be organized and categorized by time period, so analyzing your income and expenses is easy. Downloading and printing your business records for tax purposes is as easy as a click on your computer. MyEcon's Cash Flow Manager is simply amazing. Listen to what others are saying.
I own a daycare, and tax season was always stressful and frustrating. After using the Cash Flow Manager software, I'm in control. The stress level has dropped, and the amount I pay in taxes has also dropped by more than half.
I'm a tax professional, and I recommend my Econ's Cash Flow Manager to all of my clients. I recommend it to salespeople, marketers, insurance agents, small business owners because it saves them money and time.
I'm a network marketer, and I heard about the tax advantages of a home-based business. I worked my business, but I kept poor tax records. I still owed major taxes each year. I started using the Cash Flow Manager software. My record-keeping improved, and my tax problems went away.
Now, after watching that very short video clip, there's not much more I can say, but you really need this cash flow management software and this system in your portfolio if you're serious about saving and earning income. Now I want to talk to you about the next part of this presentation. We call it the power of income shifting. Remember I asked you a question. How would you like to learn how you can give yourself an instant pay raise and learn how you can get out of debt in half the time without changing your lifestyle? Well, ladies and gentlemen, within our cash flow management software, we have a system that will help you do just that. Now, the first and number one secret to slashing your debt in half is really learning how you can put anywhere from $200 to $800 per month in your pocket from your own paycheck. Now, part of the strategy is teaching you how to create a home-based business. Now, once you watch the rest of this presentation, we're going to show you how to set up a home-based business. And there's 3 simple requirements. The first thing you need to learn how to do is when you establish that business, is work that business 3+ hours a week, have an intent to make a profit, and keep good records. Now, we provided you a software with our cash flow management system to keep good records. That's all you need. You're qualified now to give yourself that instant pay raise. But not only will you do that, we're going to show you how to use our software to get yourself out of debt. Now, right now, you can know exactly the day, the month, the year that you will be 100% debt free. And with the strategies we will teach you how to create wealth. Let me show you the power of income shifting with our debt management service. Now remember, you've already given yourself an instant pay raise. So we're going to use an example of about $216 as you can see right here. And let's say if you didn't use this strategy and you just use your method, let's say your total debt that you had was $290,000. If you use your strategy, it would take you to 2036 to become debt free. That's 25 years and 6 months that it would take you. But by applying our strategy and using the extra income you gave yourself by giving yourself a pay raise, using that strategy, you accelerated your payoff date, not taking you 25 years, but only taking you now 10 years and 8 months. Giving you to 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, that's $161,000 in savings, and you have cut over 14 years by using our strategy. Not only that, once you reach your debt freedom date, we're going to show you how to use that same money that you're now saving to invest in yourself to create wealth. Now, you see, My Econ is not just about helping you to become debt-free, but it's about helping you to cultivate a wealthy lifestyle in the process by simply following our strategies and plans that we will teach you. If you don't believe me, let's watch this very short video of a real-life person who utilized these strategies and the success that she was able to accomplish.
Well, good afternoon. My name is Jeanette Butler, and I'm a little country girl from Hartwood, Georgia. I went from owing $250,000 of debt. My husband and I eliminated that in over 96 months by following these financial principles and strategies. When I first changed my W-4, I got $1,200 back in my paycheck per month. $1,200 that was leaving my paycheck going to the federal government, which meant it had no benefit for me and my family. Right now, we have been debt-free for 20 months, including mortgage. We follow the financial principles and strategies to get that done. So if a little country girl from Hartwood, Georgia can do it, everybody in this room can do it. All it is, I remember, Sarita always told me, you have to respect time. You didn't get in it overnight, and you're not going to get out of it overnight. So it takes time. So what I've learned since I've been following these financial principles and strategies, My husband, we cash flowed over $1 million. Again, we eliminated over $250,000 of personal debt in 96 months. Right now, I invest 37% of my income every month. Right now, when I went back and looked at my investment, I'm right now at over $600,000 in my investments. So if I can do it, you can do it.
Now that was well said. You see, ladies and gentlemen, documentation beats conversation. And what I want to share with you is truly, if you understand the power of income shifting, you can truly change your financial situation. You know, there's health and wellness. We're now talking about financial wellness, really rebooting your finances and getting it to where you feel like it needs to be. Now, we have stay-at-home moms, school teachers, and even executives utilizing these strategies and putting them into place. Now, a little bit about this company. They're not a startup. They've been in business for since 2005. They're headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia. They're a debt-free company with over 100 years of experience. And even right now, currently, there are actively over 50,000 members utilizing these strategies and putting them into place. Now, My Econ also offer other products and services that if you choose to do it, you can market them. You can earn extra income, and you can really share this with other people. Anywhere from our health and wellness, like we mentioned, the Cashback Mall. We have our cash flow management system, the Family Shield 360. We even market coffee if you want to show people how to get that Ganoderma type coffee, healthy coffee in their lives. We market that, and just a host of other services that will be added to the portfolio of suites of things that My Econ will be offering. Now, I know you're thinking, how much does all of this cost? If you want to learn the strategy and position yourself to truly have financial wellness, you can get started for one time out of pocket of $179.99. You'll get the cash flow management software, and you'll have access to all of the products and services that My Econ has to offer. Now, if you're not able to give yourself an instant $1,200 pay raise like the person in the example, My Econ has a way that you can share these strategies with other people, and they are willing to share some of the commissions with you. Now, there's many ways that you can earn in My Econ. Now, I'm going to share a few of them with you, but to really help you understand, here's another way that you can fast track your debt freedom by actually earning some extra income by sharing these strategies with others. Now, the first way is what we call fast start bonuses. This is immediate income that comes to you once an individual decide to be a part of the My Econ network, as well as joining the power of income shifting. Now, when you share this with someone and they purchase the package, you will earn $25. So when you use an example of Jill, who became a part of My Econ, and you earn a $25 commission. Same thing will happen when you brought in Brian. You will earn a $25 commission, and then when you bring in one other person, you will earn another $25. So you just earn an extra $75 in extra commission. Now, something happens within My Econ. You're now promoted to what they call their bonus level. You're promoted to the level of an executive vice president. What this simply means, it will allow you to earn more income for doing the same thing as you're teaching people how to have financial wellness in their lives. As you're doing that, the first 3 people that you shared this with, when they earn income, My Econ is going to share 50% of what they earn with you. So let's say the first person that you brought in, let's say she made $500. That would have paid you $250 in additional income, which is 50%. If the second person was earned $1,500, again, 50% of that is $750. And if the third person you brought in made $2,000, 50% of that is $1,000. So, ladies and gentlemen, you now see the power of sharing this with other people, because there are many people that you don't know that are sitting up at night wondering how they can improve their finance. And if we can give them a strategy to create financial wellness in their lives, it can actually richly reward you financially as well. Let's continue in the presentation. As an executive vice president, you can earn even more income. When you bring in that fourth person or share this opportunity with another person, which would be number 4, you now will earn not $25, but $50 that would be paid to you. And as you can see, you're going to watch your income grow. And you're going to teach him how to do the same thing. And as he teaches other people the strategies that you're learning, he's earning income, and so will you. As he goes out and shares with someone, he will make $50 and you will earn a 50% match of that, which will be $25. Ladies and gentlemen, as an executive director, you will earn $25 for every member that comes into your executive team, whether you brought them in or not. You will earn $50 if you personally enroll them and $25 if they just come into your executive vice president position. Now, as you're earning these $25, because most of the members that are on your team, they want to be an executive vice president as well. It's growing your membership, it's growing your team. You guys are teaching the strategy. More people are getting financial wellness in their lives, increasing their income and getting out of debt. When the system sees a total of 7 people in your executive vice president team, not only did you earn a total right now of $275, you now also qualify for my Econ's bonus plan, which is $1,000. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, as you are teaching these strategies and teaching people how to have financial wellness in their lives, you also are earning more income. Now, with just 7 people in your executive vice president team, you now have earned a total of $1,300. That's including the first 3 people that you brought in. Not even talking about the 50% that you're earning when they make money. We're just talking about every 7 that comes into your executive vice president team, you will earn a $1,000 bonus. Let's continue. Let's say you're teaching duplication and more people are working to become an executive vice president. It only takes 3 people. And let's say another 7 people came in. It just increased your income another $200, bringing you to a total of $1,500. But it also has an additional 7 new people. So you just earned another $1,000 bonus. Now you guys are starting to see how your debt freedom date can get even shorter as you share this financial wellness plan with other people. Let's say that they go out and share with a handful of people, a couple, not even saying 3. Let's just say they shared it with 2, and another host of people come into your executive vice president team. As you can see, your income increased to $2,900, but this is over 7 people. It's actually 16. So you have now earned $2,000 bonuses, in taking your total income to $4,900. Ladies and gentlemen, this will take place down to infinity. Every single person that you bring into your executive vice president team, personally, you will earn $50, and everyone that comes into your team that you did not personally enroll, you will earn $25, and every 7 that comes into your team, you will earn a $1,000 bonus. Ladies and gentlemen, with just 62 people in your executive vice president team, do you not know you just earned $10,000 in commissions that is paid to you on a weekly basis? And this is just showing you the power of one person duplicating down. What if you brought in 3, 5, 10? The more you tell, the more your income will grow. We also have what is called leadership overrides. You can earn, as you rank up, you can earn more income. The generational pay is something that I love. As you are teaching others and your organization is growing, not only are you earning the $25 overrides, the $1,000 bonuses, but you are earning also, based on your rank, generational pay, anywhere from $5 as an EVP, $15 as an EVP Red, and $25 down 5 generations as an EVP Platinum. Ladies and gentlemen, the income can be very, very rewarding to you as you teach this financial wellness to others. As you're earning those bonuses and those fast start commissions, you're also creating long-term passive residual income. As your team grows, so will your income. So what we have is a total financial system for you. We truly have a 90-day plan where we can challenge people to show them how they can increase their income in the next 90 days. Now, what we're looking for is information brokers or actual financial wellness consultants in your area. first of all, you want to become a financial wellness consultant with My Econ, and then we're going to teach you the strategies where you can share this with others. Now, your monthly subscription to stay active with My Econ and take full benefit of most of these services is just $29 a month. But to be fully commissionable and take advantage of all of the services that My Econ has to offer, your amount monthly will be just $43.90. It will give you the Family Shield 360 plan, but it will qualify you for all of the commission that My Econ has to offer. So if you're ready to create financial wellness in your life, you can become an associate with My Econ. We're going to teach you the strategies so you can utilize what we will show you, how to give yourself an instant pay raise and take full advantage of tracking your business, getting out of debt, and taking full advantage of all the services that My Econ has to offer. But also, if you're willing to share this with other people, we will show you how you can fast track your debt freedom date because of the income that you will earn that My Econ is willing to share with you. Get back with the person who shared this presentation with you, get all your questions answered, and get started today.